Welcome to Reviews for Nerds. I'm Bryant. What do you think of the new studio setup? We moved some things around a little bit in here, got some different lighting. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Well, it finally happened. I finally dropped my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Today we're going to talk about my experience with Samsung customer care. Stay tuned. So like a lot of you guys, I watch a bunch of different YouTube channels so I can get a good idea of what I do and don't possibly want to try out for myself when it comes to technology, phones, cameras, tablets, that sort of thing. After watching Mr. Mobile and Tech Odyssey, who both seem to enjoy using the Samsung Z Flip, I decided to give it a shot myself. I've had this phone for a couple of months now, and it's really good. I really like the speed. I love the camera on it. I like the fact that you have that completeness of ending a phone call by closing it. I've really missed that in a phone. The notification screen right here on the front is perfect for just getting an idea of what notifications are coming through without actually having to look at the phone. And everything was going great with this phone up until a few weeks ago. And that's when disaster struck. I was in much the same situation as I am today, sitting in my studio, working on content for the next video. I had my phone sitting next to me on the counter, when all of a sudden, I knocked it off the counter. Now my countertops here are about hip height, but I've got concrete floors. The phone fell in a closed position, landing on its back. Outward appearances didn't seem like anything was wrong. Didn't notice anything until I opened the phone. After seeing the damage on my phone, I decided to give Samsung a call. I found their 800 number. I spoke with someone on the phone almost immediately. They were very kind and asked me what happened. I told them that I dropped the phone and described the damage on the screen. They then helped me go through the process of setting up a one-time repair. Now, I bought this phone off of eBay, so I don't have original receipts or anything like that. Based off the serial number of the device, they were able to assist. They offered me a one-time repair, which included 2-day air both ways. The total was $128. Considering that most phone repairs cost around $150 and up, depending on the damage, I thought that was a pretty good deal. So I sent the phone off. The phone left my possession on a Sunday, traveled to Texas on a Monday, was received on Tuesday, was repaired on Wednesday, was shipped out on Thursday, and I had the device the next Monday. Pretty impressive. So, how did they do? The phone came back to me in this package, very nicely and safely secured, along with this Samsung folder, which has a list of what they did and everything else that they tested. All of this in the span of 1 week. Quite amazing and impeccable service. So, after a week and $128, how did Samsung do? You be the judge. The phone came back with a brand new screen and a brand new screen protector. The only difference that I noticed was the absence of the Tom Brown software at startup. I don't care. I didn't buy it for that. The phone functions just as it did before. It is the exact same IMEI as before. Samsung did an amazing job, and I'm very thankful for that. So thumbs up to you guys, Samsung. Well, there you have it. My experience with Samsung customer support after dropping my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the content you see here, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our content. This has been Reviews for Nerds. I'm Bryant. Thank you for watching.